back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you in the healthcare field. The big insurance company, UnitedHealth Group, is hiring a data entry clerk. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, and of course, if you're interested in applying, the links to this application page are always in the YouTube description box below this video. One thing to quickly note, this job description does not state anything about internet and computer equipment, but United Healthcare has been known to provide their own internet service to you, as well as all the computer equipment you need. So if you get an interview, that's a question that you might want to ask. But they are looking for a payment entry, data entry specialist to do clerical activities like posting patient and third-party payments and adjustments and balancing daily batches. You'll review and counter data forms for accuracy of the CPT and ICD 910 codes, required modifiers, and any other data. You'll print insurance claims forms as needed and maintain the claim form log. You'll perform electronic claim submissions, maintain summary report notebooks, review insurance claims for accuracy and completeness. You'll do the data entry and make the claims corrections as necessary. You'll calculate insurance contract adjustments and prepare the payments for data entry according to the payment calculation policies and procedures. You'll also correct claims that are appearing on any edit reports and communicate trends to your department supervisors. So this is going to be a completely non-phone position. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has at least 1 year working in some kind of general clerical medical setting, somebody who is proficient in Microsoft Suite like Word, Excel, all of those things, and somebody who knows basic CPT, diagnosis code, medical terminology, those sorts of things. Now, they do prefer that you have a CPC certificate, but that is not required. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience. This position pays anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $23.13 an hour. And of course, this is a full-time job, so they provide a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And if you found this job lead or any other job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful to at least someone out there. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.